Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain how Iowa child custody law works. So courts use the standard best interest of the child, and what this means is that Iowa courts will look at all the factors involved in a particular case and examine each case on a case-by-case basis to determine what custody arrangement will be in the best interest of the child. Generally, courts favor custody arrangements that will allow the child to maintain consistent physical and emotional contact with both parents whenever possible in order to encourage the parents to share the rights and responsibilities of raising the child. Now, the caveat is they'll do this so long as doing so will not cause physical or emotional harm to the child, other children, or either parent. So let's talk real quickly about the various types of child custody. So there's joint legal custody and sole legal custody, and then there's physical placement. So first we'll talk about the difference between joint custody and sole legal custody. When a joint legal custody arrangement is involved, both parents have equal rights to make decisions about the child. So we're talking about educational, medical, religious, extracurricular decisions. In a sole custody situation, only one parent has the legal responsibility for the child and the major decision making for the child. Now, custody can be distinguished from physical placement. In a joint physical placement scenario, both parents have residential rights and responsibilities, including caring for the child, maintaining a home, and the best interest of the child will determine how often the child is with one parent versus the other. The parent living with the child the majority of the time is often referred to as the custodial parent. The other parent is often referred to as the non-custodial parent, which is confusing because the physical placement is kind of distinguished from legal custody, which is decision making. Iowa law favors joint legal custody and equal time as much as possible with the parents, unless significant evidence is presented to show that it would be in the child's best interest for sole custody to be preferred over joint custody. The factors that courts look at when determining how to figure out what is in the child's best interest are several, and I'll kind of give you a list here. If a parent exhibits immoral behavior that could interfere with the child's health, safety, or welfare, courts will certainly consider that. Courts consider a parent's substance abuse. Courts consider whether either parent is violent or abusive. They'll take a look at the geographic proximity of the parents and the willingness of the parents to work together to facilitate equal time with the child. They'll take a look at the wishes of each parent and the wishes of the child. The wishes of the child are weighed more and more heavily as the child gets older. When a child's very young, courts don't really consider that very much. Relationships between each parent and the child are also very important. So what is the existing relationship between each parent and the child? So that's the basics anyway of how courts determine child custody. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law. We have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts and watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.